Assalamualaikum and welcome dear students of class 9th. I'm here again with a new topic, that is a play. It is on page number 133 of your English course book. If I Were You, it is a play. Firstly, I will tell you what a play is. A play is a piece of writing which can be seen at a theater or on television or heard on the radio. I will repeat again. A play is a piece of writing which can be seen at a theater or on television or heard on the radio. Now let me tell you about the scene of this play. Firstly, it is written on your book also. A small cottage in the interior. There is an entrance back right which may be curtained. Another door to the left must be practical door. The furniture is simple, consisting of a small table towards the left, a chair or two, and a table on which there is a telephone. Now let us go to the play. The play has two characters here. They are Gerard and Intruder. The whole play revolves around those two characters. This is the story of an intruder. This is the story of an intruder. So now let me tell you from the starting what happens in this play. The intruder entered the house of a playwright. He, however, did not know that the owner of the house was a playwright. He only knew him as a Gerard. So who was the playwright? Gerard was the playwright. He had thought that he was a mystery man, lived in the wildest of Essex, did not meet people and gave his orders by phone. The intruder was a criminal and was being chased by the police. He thought he resembled Gerard, so he had planned to kill Gerard and live in that cottage himself. So you have already been aware about the name of the play, If I Were You. If I Were You, written by Douglas James. If I Were You is a very interesting play that has mystery, suspense, surprise and humor. It is a story, I have already told you, in which an intruder intends to kill Gerard and impersonate him to escape the law, but the tables are turned on him as he trapped due to Gerard's presence of mind. If I Were You is the name of the story. Why is the name of the story? Because the intruder tries to kill Gerard so as to take his position. That is why the name of story is If I Were You. If intruder were Gerard. So Gerard, as I told you, lives in the small cottage. He does not meet many people. He is to go out soon, but before he does so, as intruder enters his cottage, Gerard welcomes him with confidence. The intruder asks many questions to Gerard. His answers were very surprising and full of humor. I have already told you, intruder wanted to murder Gerard and live as Gerard because he looked like him. But Gerard was too good and intelligent. He at once understood everything. Then he tried to plan in his mind. The intruder then threatened Gerard to kill him and told him that he intended to live in his house as Gerard, since he looked like him. He even learned to imitate Gerard's voice. The intruder was about to shoot Gerard. Then Gerard warned him to be careful and not to kill him. He told the intruder that he too was a criminal and murderer, so the police would anyway hang him, if not as himself, then as Gerard. Hearing all this, the intruder was very frightened. Gerard explained that unfortunately one of his men had been caught. He was expected trouble that night. He then made the intruder understand that it was good for him if he went with him. He also told him that if it was a frame, he could shoot him in the car. The intruder agreed, but when he was about to cross the door, Gerard pushed him into the nearby cupboard and then slammed it. Thereafter, he telephoned the police for his arrest. So, this was about the play If I Were You. So, whatever I have told you whatever I have summarized, this is from your book, and I hope you have understood it also. As I always tell you, after the lecture there is glossary given on the page 138. You can go through it. Also, you can use Urdu for their Urdu meanings, a dictionary. And if you will be having any problem regarding the play, you can comment me in the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom also, you will go through the lesson by yourselves. Thank you. Have a good day.